In this video, I want to show you a practical way of changing your Rainfresh sediment filter. The first thing to do, obviously, is to shut off the main water supply or the valve leading to the filter housing. If your system does not have a valve that can shut off the main supply, just unplug or shut off the power to your well pump. The next thing to do is to release the pressure in the system by opening any of your faucets in the house and to let the water run out. Then turn the housing counterclockwise to loosen and remove it. Be very careful here because some water will spill out. Pull out the used cartridge, and this obviously has to be discarded. I have to note its condition. In my case, as you can see, I have heavy sediment. So this means that I have to be doing more frequent changes in my case. I just wanted to point out, guys, how important this cartridge is. It may be cheap, but it's very, very important. Just look at how dirty and brown this water is right here. This is because of the sediments that have been captured by this cartridge. If we don't have this cartridge, it means all these sediments will end up in my dishwasher, in my washing machine, in all the faucets in the house, and they're going to reduce the longevity of my appliances. And so this cartridge is very, very, very important. I just wanted to point that out. The next thing is to place the new sediment cartridge in the center of the housing, flat end down. In this case, the yellow side goes up and the flat end is obviously down. Make sure it is seated properly. Now screw the housing back on. Obviously, this is clockwise. Tighten by hand. Avoid to over tighten. As you turn clockwise, these two lines have to align. Once they align, you are good to go. Slowly open the water supply and press the pressure relief button on top briefly to release any air that could be in the system. I hope this helps you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.